The th sound is a difficult combination to pronounce. If done properly, it can be impressive. However, if it's done incorrectly, it can be embarrassing. There are two types of th sounds, voice and voiceless. The voiced th sound is produced by tongue placement. Gently place the tip of your tongue between your upper and lower teeth. Airflow, breathe out steadily, forcing air to flow between your tongue and teeth. You should feel a slight vibration on your tongue and hear a soft friction sound. Vocal cords, vibrate your vocal cords to produce the voice quality of the sound. Common mistakes in voiced th sound: substituting it with d or z sounds and not placing the tongue between the teeth. Examples of voiced th sound words in initial position: 1. That. 2. There. 3. Them. 4. Then. 5. There. 6. These. 7. This. 8. Those. 9. Thought. And 10. Thus. Examples of voiced th sound words in medial position. Examples of voiced th sound words in medial position: 1. Another. 2. Brother. 3. Either. 4. Father. 5. Gather. 6. Mother. 7. Neither. 8. Together. 9. Weather. And 10. Weather. Examples of voiced th sound words in final position: 1. Bathe. 2. Breathe. And 3. Clothe. The voiceless th sound is pronounced by: place the tip of your tongue between your upper and lower teeth. Gently rest your upper teeth on your tongue. Blow air out between your teeth and tongue, creating friction. Vocal cords should not vibrate. Examples of voiceless th sound words in initial position: 1. Thank. 2. Think. 3. Third. 4. Thought. 5. Thin. 6. Thick. 7. Thirst. 8. Theme. 9. Thumb. And 10. Threat. Examples of voiceless th sound words in medial position: 1. Author. 2. Healthy. 3. Method. And 4. Nothing. Examples of voiceless th sound words in final position: 1. Bath. 2. Breath. 3. Myth. 4. North. And 5. South.